the Trader Arena Cup. I don't have an account. You dropped the ball on that one. That's sense. So you look like here. It's like you're not at third. And I said the message. I was like, I thought you guys said y'all were moving me to the third one, and then I'm seeing what they said. So I was in number 2, so it wouldn't let me sign up for number 3, and then they email me, "No, we want you to sign up for number 3." I'm like, okay. And I went to go sign up. It wouldn't let me sign up because I was registered at number 2, and then they just never switched me over. Apparently, I'm not Ninja Trader Arena Cup either, but that's good for you guys, because that's one more spot that you don't have to compete, Vince. Captain Jim, no, you can't trade 2 of anything at the same time, 2 total. Okay? And only trade 2 total innings. Let's identify. 2, yes. Not 2 ES plus 2 NASDAQ. Not 2 ES plus 10 NES. Right. Okay. Oh, wow. And straight from Bonanza and last end of it. So, 50-pound giveaway. I like sound like doing 50 accounts on video. Stop and Q button. All right. Guess what, guys? Rocket Scooter. Second place. Now, the standings are going to change drastically today. I got a rule for you guys. Sit there to have a pull down people for people that win so I can spread the love more. It would be kind of cool if we had a way to police that. It'd be kind of hard to do something like that. First, we give away more accounts to make it even better. Remember, like earlier this year, we gave away like 10 accounts every week. I made every month, 10 a month, something like that. That we give away 1,000 a month. Who knows? Maybe it'll be 5,000 next month. We'll see how many we get. And this Super Balloons are like super ballooning it up. These things have not deflated since my birthday. I've never seen balloons hold their integrity for so long before. Okay. Okay. So, it's a rock scooter. My birthday was last week, so thank you for the happy birthdays. All right, guys, check it out. It's a rock scooter. Second place. Now, The thing is that these are going to change drastically. I got 2 announcements for you guys. I'm going to announce it again. No team is people that forgot to assign themselves to a team. Many, if not a lot of them, are no team as well. So we're up here as well. You just didn't assign yourself because you didn't know. Go to Tradeify, assign yourself to our team. Go to Tradeify, submit it, click it, and they will add you to our team. I had somebody last night in the top 5 total say, hey, I'm on their atmosphere. How they young them. So make sure you get up here. No team are people that you never assign. So a lot of these people are going to get distributed to whatever team that they want to be on today. Oh my God. Oh, Tradeify popped out the joke. Frankly, nobody get their shit together for a tournament. If you were pretty well sitting in no additional micro, then there will be reset there. You know, we'll waste our time. Right, so you're giving guys promotion to come out through the time and give out different information. As if we traded an extra micro, when you're going to get reset. And then the person that did anything wrong, instead from middle was on. Hard to tell her. They're not. Sure. Alright. I think we book that thing. You know, think now go here back in the university. You talk about there's like the wars, I yes. Oh, when we have yeah, started 2 ladies of Ashton record still been the national like her but it's still actually the way it's how you try it is that they're on the same thing. A lot interesting. So there's a like which way does it get put? They're not our mind is everybody's questions. Rude. No, go trade any of my parents. a dash and this Tyson and this marks actually the only part is accent. Project we started to very large and or and the layer that goes in. Not very say what the change just change the word. Yeah, I should there's no there. So everybody's gonna reset it and did that. Anyways, after they reset a bunch of people, we'll see what the balance actually is like. Well, they reset me. Well, they're gonna reset me because I remember nobody was answering the questions, and so I opened and closed very quick just to see if it was possible. And then I pleaded with Brad. He said, "I'm gonna get reset too." Like I opened and closed. I was like, I didn't make any money. Just Dr. Bell.
Seriously, 1 penny
Away. This is stupid. I asked them for like 6 hours and nobody was there. Like nobody was there to answer the question. And then the balances were just going up. So I didn't make a decision for you guys, but went in there. All right, guys, what's up? What's up? Get ready to get started here at the nice, awesome trading day. Not then too bad. Stop and too bad. Him too is just my bit. And too bad. Guy, like, what did this guy do? He's so buzzard. That's fun. Look at literally the top 10 right now is already on the market hasn't even opened yet. Oh, these tournaments are, it's just like they're almost impossible to like trade. You know, like a normal person. Because everybody's expected breaking. There I am, beautiful. No, that's right now. Number 74. So, yeah, it looks like some people already go see this all of their account down there. Gotta find an influencer. We gotta find an influencer. Where's the influencer, Grant? Started to load up their channels. How are people up that much with just 2 contracts? I have no idea, to be honest. I think people are trading multiple things at one time and just, you know, that whole thing. So I'm on team no team. Team no team is the best team. That's the one that I'm on. Which is funny because I'm not even in the top 20 of that team. Yeah, number 29. Dude, no name team is private. Yeah, after 5,000, you could trade 5 things. So tomorrow, I'll be able to trade 9 babies. I'm trying to go at least. I'm gonna try to get up to like $10,000. If I can get up to like $10,000, that would be pretty nice. But I'm confused with market open. You explain it? This. This is the way it works, right? This is the way it works.
Good God.
Yeah, we've been too concerned.
Good God, man. What is that? Oh,
My God. And get higher. Stop and you bud. Stop there, spot.
what in the damn hell?
I love them or happen.
Very stupid. The day is already done.
Sweet and two sellers.
Wow. What do you even do with that information? Jesus.
All right, already. It is 9 o'clock. Like big of money birthdays right now on the NASDAQ. Big pop up there on, I don't know if that was the news came out at 9 o'clock or what, or if people are just waking up. The market's getting started here. Had a big reversal last night off that 26,000 area up there about 2 to 1 down.
Just wow.
That India, I can't understand that good opening. Don't worry,
It just beats the whole thing. Amazon Inc.'s $38 billion deal with OpenAI to supply NVIDIA chips.
About it. Get about it. Get about it there. Just forget about it. All right, so far, NASDAQ, like I said, they're a big plot. There's a news came out.
It's just always NVIDIA. Always NVIDIA.
There. Been 30, I've been. Either way, we're them. Be but the prayer. It's on for you, so just keep that in mind. Something to think about, Please are thinking about it. Something to think about. Amazon means $38 billion open AI supply in rejection. Wait, what is that? We need they have their supply. So they're gonna buy NVIDIA chips and then give them to OpenAI. Have the needles fair. Don't make no sense. D-Money got the day off. No, D-Money will be live later on today. It'll be live at 1:30 p.m. Eastern for the D-Money show in the afternoon. I'm in California right now. They're racing. So let's get it started here. Any deal with OpenAI means stock will build no matter what. Well, I mean, wait. Hey, PW, trying to get a shout out. Oh, yeah, Clover Trades. Big shout out. Big shout out, kind of guy. Not that I love Clover, but give it a shout out anymore. Hey, shout out. Pretty breaking. Right, didn't reckon for mortgage that old enough here had a little bit of a con. The ES and MSX both kind of tagged up here tonight. So, well, last night, those are a bit of a gap. I just think you didn't hold there's even the earth there. See what happens here because very hourly varies right down on all these links. It's like with that fusions. There, right there. I'm trying to just up there. Well, so let's see. Say everything's possible. This between chairs. Driven dig. Here's the open range for trading. Oh gosh. It has been Qbot. Could be nice, you know, ideally. That's probably the goal, but sometimes it's a little bit crazy. We've got that high for Friday in the sellers. Lower absorption and few buyers. We're up there at 272. So we'll see. There. And the NASDAQ has more room to bullish here. Guys, why is the market opening late today? Well, it's because of the time. We had daylight savings or whatever happened on Saturday, so let's see what happened. Hey Patrick, can I give a shout out, Carrie? Taberga. That's a name right there, Taberga. Very Taberga. Why are you so calm today? I don't know, man. It's just relax. Just back. Don't worry, I'm not gonna. We call forever. Ain't never happened. Hey Patrick, why are you calling Patrick? I'm nervous. Patrick, why, man? Like, great, why don't you drink the NASDAQ? Patrick, why are you from the 13 letters? What are you doing? What are you doing? Like the fucking like having a 5-year-old, you're back in the back of the car going, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there? We got about 2 minutes till market open. Sleep and you sell it. You're absorbing out 35 today. Okay. Economic calendar on the backer. Looks like we got S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. Right. Got some PMI numbers and stuff coming out here later over. Yep. Scroll down here for the secret numbers today. What it dot. It's like 9:15. There's some numbers coming out, and then 9:45 you got S&P Global Manufacturing Line Efforts, and then you got the car sales, and then ISM. Where's that third there? Right now, NASDAQ popped up there, took out all that resistance up there for now. But after you're dead.
Weird. So sure info because it's not done yet.
Minute bull flag trouble there, stuck below that pivot point for now. It's Thursday. Thursday, it's 69. Look at that. Patrick is on the dating. Because remember what day trader I used to? Well, thank you so much. Oh, I look more than a good combo there. So, thanks for that. Especially when you pay for a combo there in the bracer. Or if a bracer of you. So, Patrick, how do you feel about the market today? Well, I mean, we got news coming out. We got news coming out here at 9:45, and we've got our 10 o'clock news as well. So, good start. Where am I at on the trade of fire tournament? But you look, build up your circles. The last time I checked, I was like number 74. We're up $6,200 for $230 there, but you never know what can happen next. It's gonna be wild, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be wild, it's gonna be crazy. Got a lot of news here today as well, so. Where do you get your news updates? I mean, the only place that you should ever go is look. Onlyprompters.com. Onlyprompters.com. Look at that beautiful thing. Beautiful. You can see today, November 3rd, we've got actually a little bit of news coming out here in 2 minutes. And then 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news, car sales, the ISM manufacturing PMI numbers at 10 o'clock. And then 9:45 S&P Global Manufacturing News as well. So, lots of stuff to look at here today. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Like that's a fun thread. Simple. Don't know fast thing. The presidential compliment, or said. Butter just. Are you in Mexico or something? Oh. They're doing over there, but it's hard to show it. There's the light. They're really all those irons. When does the market open today? Opens at 9:30 a.m. Ocean or mountains? There's the desert right now. In the middle of the desert right now, yeah. What do you guys think? Up or down today? Up or down today? The $1 million question. Did we pump? Did we dump? What you guys got? What you guys got? Oh, baby. What do you think? Pump or dump here at open? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, Chad? What do you think? Pump or dumping? Pump it or dumping? Don't. Where the full says. Sure. Guys are good at trading. That figures are so. Trading LD, DW, hope you're good, bro. Yeah, still real good, man. Nice dinner. Everything's good, man. Wait, too. Let's just get the ladies, man. So, right now, rolled out the overnight, had a little pullback there, 8:30, bumped up here so far. With Nvidia and Amazon and a little bit nice support it right now. London. But Bill and Griffin look good at the meeting. Today Baby. I know. Bro, get the fuck out of here with your. Don't ask me for a shout out, you fucking weirdo. This is not this ain't fucking America's fucking whole video fake. Hey man, get a lot of shout out. No, we're here to make money. The weirdo, look, they're crazy. Sometimes I have something to for shout outs. I already shouted out earlier. Yeah. All right. We're getting ready here. Our market to open up right now. NASDAQ speaks it. Backed up. Please backed up here.
Oh, nice. So we're not open yet. Got 10 minutes.
Gap is that big gap. That out there. We're close that there. Oh, rightish. What happened here? Thanks. Yeah, they all bet before they got this. We got about 10 minutes here till market opens. We got news coming out here. We got news, 9:45. We got news. We got 10 o'clock news as well. So, what happens?
It's you answer.
Oh yeah, it's red news.
Oh,
Hold on, Jake Jensen.
what? What?
I say you're 12 Jake Jensen.
Yeah.
That's the big person.
Look at this stupid move already. Already.
You're flipping bull. Now we go. Go Spain. Oh yeah, we enjoyed it. It's beautiful out here, man. What am I doing in California? We're gonna be driving trophy trucks this time. Oh. Shout out to America. America once again winning the World Series of baseball. I mean, it's like, it's kind of like, if we didn't win, it would be embarrassing. But shout out to Peppers, right? But in America. The Canadians got close, man. They got close. They got real close. Dude, Alex Spinu, our local retard of the decade. Do I look tired? Really? Do I look tired? I don't think I look tired. But I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning. Great. I should take it, but I like women. So sorry that I won't date you. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, Alex. Okay. Rating that there is a breakout from the 15-minute range. Let's upgrade it. That's your best bet, honestly. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. If it ain't breaking out, don't trade it. Do it. And do it. Is that background view? In a basement right now. There. In the closet. Where? No real background. Where's nice videos. Congratulations. Victoria's your video. Yep. It's so nice. Perfect. We're jumping back. Supposedly in November or so, maybe. I guess it is November. He's actually going to be in Florida, so we try to get Nutty Bar down to the BBH when I get back. Try that for a can. Jay the Great. Yeah, $185 from me button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Money will be live for Power Hour. Guys, listen. Listen, everybody. Listen, motherfuckers. Listen. Listen.
It's Ben. What are you doing up so early? My God. That's crazy.
Today, I will be live 9:30 a.m. until after go, right? Everybody good.
Oh.
Everybody understand? Okay. And good. 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 We got it. Figured it out now. Everybody can.
All right, 2.5 minutes.
Figured it out. Yeah. I'm actually not down. Literally, I just like the inner.
Man, it moved. It definitely moved.
Did you capture it?
Shit, no. And trading that was crazy.
And that crazy.
I mean, kind of crazy. Trying to chase this pre-market nonsense, man. Just random like 40. Look at that. It went from 188 all the way up to 250. So almost 100 point random candle.
Yeah. You gotta chase it.
Bro, get out of here with that mess.
Fire. Stop and Q5.
Not trying to chase that crap.
We're going to the moon.
Bruh. This is the kind of pre-market moves that make me like just genuinely disinterested in trading it. Like at all.
Okay.
Like I see that happen and I'm like, okay, now what? Now what do? You want to try to chase this thing all the way up there? Look at gold. Gold pumps to 40.32 and then dumps 10 points. I want to be in that. I want to be in this random move up. I want to be in something that has some kind of freaking sense to it. Some kind of structure.
Sense.
Just not YOLO in this news. Amazon is going to broker a deal or something. I think it makes sense. Why is Amazon even a part of a deal with NVIDIA and OpenAI? Why does that even, how does that even make sense?
Called cohesion.
It's like they don't need a middleman. These companies are $1 trillion companies. They don't need somebody in the middle.
All right, we're getting ready here for market open. Got about 30.
There goes. Here she goes, baby. You're straight up. Good all-time highs for zero reason. Other than, why not? I'm trying to get an answer from Apex on this payout denial, because the rule is like so vague. The response that I get says that my trades were within the rule, but the denial says otherwise. So I just keep going back and forth with them. Look at this, huh?
Trying to deny everything.
Well, it's the same rule break, the 30% drawdown rule. But and so if you account for total drawdown, sure, but if you account for a single trade, then no.
Well, I just made $100 limit.
Let it go.
Right there. Boom. We and few buyers. Earl, market open and few sellers.
Market is very much open and pumping.
Like that. Like that. I like that. Good looking. There. Sleep and few sellers.
The whole shit's ripping to the downside.
There.
Jeez, gold. Straight to VWAP.
Let's see what out there. You're good. So you plump in. We got the chat right.
You passed an eval yet there, Ben?
That perfect.
How is that possible?
Like that earned. The chat was right. Chat right here. Chat is. It's hard. It's so. Y'all been watching my videos clearly. I've been watching that video.
I guess I'm just gonna. Doesn't look like it's slicing this.
Stop and Q button. All right, so we're right here. All this resistance right here. So if you didn't get long right there at open, it's hard to just keep on getting long out here. But we've got like 275, 274 level to get through there. That's a link in then. We have it there. Stop and Q button.
Yeah, she's down here.
Except GS projected bars, we get few sellers. Up there, they're on that 6900 level now. Yes. Stop and Q sell. There's that getting tight here. Going back. Trouble up there. We got 945 news. We got 10 o'clock news here. So Be patient, fair, patient. Stop and do so. Jesus, look at that. Pull back forward here right now. Yes, the back down there, that first 5-minute handle. Trace the clear spell. See what happens when this 9:45 news comes out. And a big shout out to Trade of 8 up and do that. We're usually this weekend, 6 p.m. open, no problem. Trade of 8, no, and Hugh Seller, your go-to back there at the PG. Trade of 8. Friend. Alright, I pull back your Daryl. That was 2 step down. We're going to 5-minute rate. I need NQ dump cousins, but
Oh, smokes. Points, bro.
we get highly stacks of forward balls. Yeah, right here.
Dog pumping. Look at that. Bounced right off the VWAP. Right up, man.
I know our question. Yeah, we got built the downside down there, so. Up and few sell. Sweep and few sellers. Absorption and few buyers.
That's the whole thing. What are you doing with Weeble shares over there?
Huh?
What's the hell with your Weeble shares?
What are
What are you doing with them? Weren't you stuck at like 1233?
Yeah, waiting.
Gotcha. Where does this thing want to go?
Down.
Just in no hurry to mess with this right now. Feel like, so last night there was supposed to be some Trump announcement and then nothing happened. So when's that coming? That's what I want to know. When's that coming?
What it is.
Don't know. That's the problem. Nobody knows. It says it's going to make some huge announcement at 7:30 last night, and then 7:30 came, 8 o'clock came, there's nothing ever came of it.
So from back door, so we can share.
Who knows?
Yes,
And look at the drop from that high, that double top.
seller. Sell. Yep, and down seller.
I had a good month though. October, man, I was up over 1,000 cash features. It's pretty sweet.
Bang.
Yeah, I did good.
Seller. I got the opening rating being set. We got the twos coming out 9:45. So there's got to be days. Just be.
If I can get through this Apex rule, then I'll be, I mean, my Apex account's up almost $8,000. I can't, I just can't get past that stupid MAA rule.
There you go. Still be a little bit lower up than QSL. We got short there, and well, honestly, the market went lower. Got to love that. It's like there. That's short from the 213. Now there it is down there, the 180. And it just has room to go lower and lower. We had the basically the 5-minute opening resell. I got in a little bit late there, but that's the move that I was looking for. Yeah, sat there now. So. And few sellers. We got news at 9:45. We got news at 10 o'clock. EFI numbers and fun stuff. So right down the NASDAQ, just kind of bleeding it back out, back down here now. Top ESL. What happens if news comes out? It said the news is already out. Really? Really?
Some people say nobody knows what's happening.
Yeah. Be right. So, style and it was feedback to go quicker. I think by this. Then the bar sale was at the highest. We got 5 minutes till this news comes down. 5 minutes till news.
Jesus. Sell it all. Could have sold some ELTY this morning.
Sleep and few buyers. Absorption and few buyers. Sleep and few sellers. First 15-minute candle, we got a big wick, we got a big resistance there from Friday. That was a big area of resistance, that 250, 260, 270 level up there. Right now, NASDAQ is kind of bleeding out of the area of that spot. Jackson, tells me how to get here down here a little bit quicker to build in a gap. 6,874 is the ES gap. Well, NASDAQ's got a lot of room for the gap down there.
Jesus.
1,000 flat. The gap build for the NASDAQ, so feel that low, baby. Yeah, looking clean. 5-minute candles, the 5-minute opening range, another big move barrel. So what happens when this news comes out in 4 minutes, and then we got 10 o'clock news. Not enough. So still going lower, man. Still going lower there. That short than the 213 with really drink right now. Who took that short? Who took that short? We got the VWAP curling up here. 47.50 here. And QCell.
Pfizer.
For the news, onlypopturns.com, guys. You got all the news, the calendar on onlypopturns.com. It's free. It's on there. You can check it out every day before the market opens. Stop and Q bot. Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell.
Sarah just texted me, Pfizer was tanking. I'm like, I've never even looked at Pfizer stock, but yep. It's down like 50%, 4 days. It's their competitor with their Equifax. Equifax stock didn't look so high either.
That gap bill is possible today. Who's out here in 1 minute? 1 minute till this news drops.
What do you think's gonna happen, Dan? They're like, this news drop.
And what is it in?
I don't know. We have to be no. Honestly, I'm sorry, Steve, but no. ISM, it's U.S. manufacturing PMI, and then ISM manufacturing.
So right here. I just said we dump. Okay. Okay.
We've been hoping we could dump since 18,000.
Yep.
And then you didn't buy any of the dip.
No.
Well, none of the dip. Is Reddit on sale? Let's look. Reddit's on sale, 212. It's a good deal.
And granted. Yes. Good dive.
Look at gold pumping. God, dog. Gold just took VWAP and ran like hell.
Stop and few bad.
Data did nothing. So gold is for screaming.
Gotta get that you want.
Normally I'd be trading gold, but lately it's just been too crazy violent.
Better setup there. Get better setup. Yeah, patient. A bit of a bear flag here. It might be tweaking a bit. See? We got a deal going on below right now. For Flex account for just $59. Use code PW. That's right. Stop and sell. Stop and sell. Iceberg ES button. There's first minute on their 5-minute candle. Just like I would like to get, you know, a little bit more pushback up here, but kind of like if it just goes right, if you opt right down here, basically, if you opt like right here at the 50s, and 50, try to get short here, or just put your stop up here, but let it better set up for a better setup for stop and cue by it. Stop
Gold just went straight day on those. Wow. What a freaking U-shaped recovery on gold.
Get better entry and do better risk reward. So
Jesus. Okay.
there. Port down there, the pivot point of the 878 level on the ES. That kind of stuck in that last 5-minute candle right. If we get, well, I want to see what happens when we get closer when this 5-minute candle closes. Stop and all new cells. Stop and pure cell.
Pretty bearish.
Right here, the fucking around.
Harmonics wanted to short gold, man. That looks risky.
Is that gold? To the moon. There's the new one.
It is going straight down today. Wow. Move. That's like 40-point move, dude. Much, yeah, 30 points. Wow.
Checked it, did he?
Take us bounce off 138 on NQ.
Yeah. And it's a block. 138?
Yeah, 26, 138. Not a tap. That's a B block.
Wait, and few sellers. Absorption and few buyers. Stop and do that out while the iceberg ES flattened. That about there, the block that they used to tie it off their old cells. Well, no, hello, I go. Sweet and overriders. And few sellers. Alright. Yeah, stuff. We run the things to raise the narrow side. We got to do that. And I heard 10 o'clock. Well, I didn't live under so. Things are happening. It's jumping. Things are. And few sellers. Things are happening. And few sellers.
Oh, my browser just goes all white for no reason.
Few sellers. Very top and few sell. Straight through the view-off down there to the wharf and then few sellers. Hey, shorts are getting paid.
Okay, the weather train invaded.
Tell
Fine.
And
Browser decided it's just going to check out. It's cool.
almost filling the gap now. E74 is the gap fill on the GS. So the NASDAQ, a little bit of a push back up here now. Admin chart is not really giving us a good entry here. I took that short there earlier. That was the short. The 213s now. That's 100 points to the downside almost. We gotta hold those trades longer, I guess. Gotta hold them, baby. You gotta hold them, baby. You gotta do it short or long. Who's short? Who's long in the chat? $1 million question. Who's short and who's longing? Who's longing but also shorting?
Not Cola.
Okay. Long. We got short. We got short and we got long. Barrett says you missing me. That's all I had here. I love you, bro. I'm here. Don't worry, Eric. I'm here. Wait, then Q buyers. Stop then Q bot. Absorption and Q sellers.
That's gonna stop out, man. My browser is just creeping right now. I might have to close. I mean, it's kind of sketch to take a trade off of this because it's just creeping. I'm trying to close some stuff out.
Data path. Right, we're stuck below the bottom of the opening range. Right, we got that news coming out here at 10 o'clock. 6 minutes